Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we are going to discuss creating your BlinkBid jobs according to AMA standards. BlinkBid has partnered with the Artist Management Association, so you can confidently work within industry standards and have access to AMA's valuable resources with the click of a button. AMA's Universal Bid Form is available for use inside BlinkBid's default item catalogs. The UBF is a template arranging specific line items and categories in a designated order for efficient bidding, easily recognized and understood by people in the industry. When you sign up, you can choose the AMA catalog during the sign-up process, or if you are already signed up, you can choose it among the item catalog defaults and settings. We also have the AMA Terms and Conditions available inside BlinkBid's Terms and Conditions, which you can append to your documents. All of this is designed inside BlinkBid with full customizability. Use the AMA standards as a default and build out your jobs as you need them. If you have any questions, please check out our knowledge base at blinkbid.com/help. If your question is not answered, please click on your account name in the top right corner and send support a message.